Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock, and I'll also take you over a couple of other semiconductors, and all in all we'll show you the health of the market as well today. So things have been red, and especially on Nvidia. If you have seen this video of mine yesterday that I did, Nvidia will sell off more. You already knew how to prepare for this thing because let's real quickly go to, let's go to the 5 minutes interval, right? And I said that if Nvidia, I know whatever numbers, news, whatever, doesn't matter. Technicals is what I trade with, and because, technicals is the way to make the money in the market. Now, what we were looking at is, I mentioned that if it breaks above 1,106, there can be intraday bounce or rebound can come back up to this level of $1,124, right? We went a little bit higher above that, but you can see, and that's what I said, that 11,024 is the area, is in the intraday downtrend. This is the area it can rebound all the way up to, but that's where we have to see. If we reject, we gonna continue back down. And look at it. We came lower, did a bounce when the market opened, rejected where? $1,124, $1,124. So this thing rejected just right where I was expecting it to, and as I mentioned that if we break out and above of 1,106 or 7, that we did over here in the pre-market, we did go up to that level of 1,124, a little bit higher as well. But yeah, so, and then yeah, failed, rejected at 1,124 on the retest, and we came back lower, right? So you understand the importance of these levels and also the price action, right? As I was expecting it to do, technically it did that, and I also mentioned that to you guys in the video yesterday over here. But anyways, let's jump into the in-depth analysis for the morning right now on Nvidia. As I said, I'll take you over other semiconductors as well, but before that I want to let you know that none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. I'm just sharing my opinion. You are solely responsible for your own decisions and outcomes. All right. So Nvidia here, we have our level as well up on the top now, tap out level. And yeah, so it's been falling. Well, okay, here's the thing. This is in the structure of Nvidia. This is just a cool off until 20 days moving average. And intraday cool offs may keep coming. The short plays may keep coming, as I have been talking about it already in my videos, that yeah, intraday cool offs may be coming, but I showed you yesterday my swing bot as well on Nvidia. It already gave the full sell position here. It gave the buy position around 946, and the bot is fully out even after taking partial profits. Again, check out my previous video. Not gonna go over my bot here again. Yeah, that's great, right? I mean, now what, right? So in the structure though, this is a pullback in the uptrend still. I mean, Nvidia in the price action is so bullish in the structure, okay? Don't confuse structure on the swing with intraday planning. Intraday trade, you can still short, long, whatever. But this overall structure, as I explained yesterday as well, you have to be careful where the consolidation may start developing again, because we are in the cool off mode, but the structure is still bullish. So intraday shorts, yes, they are still coming. That is fine. But Nvidia, it still has a room eventually to just stop somewhere here in the path. We'll talk about that as well as when that happens. But let's go to the hourly interval and let's talk about the current price action and if this cool off may continue and how much I expect it to continue. So yeah, we got that rejection right over here, and as I was saying that, yep, we are just in the downtrend and intraday downtrend, sorry, right? Not on the swing. Yeah, so intraday downtrend, and this is because Nvidia has done so much extension, this intraday downtrend sounds like, oh, Junior Trader, this is going to last for a couple of days and it should be a swing. I get it, yes, I understand, but it's just that the structure all in all on Nvidia is, yeah, just because of the extension, this pullback may look like a swing short. It can be, the terms can be used, right? You can use those terms as how you understand them. But what I would say is that I like to use swings statements or on the all in all structural basis. And then intradays, even if they go 1 or 2 days, 3 days longer, then I still use them as intraday. But anyways, so yeah, this is where we are. We also have this trend line now, so this can be just followed along in this intraday downtrend and watch this. Well, first of all, I mentioned that, guys, this is the area 1084. These gaps, usually buyers will come. They're coming right now, but I'm not quite sure if they can hold this level. This is not even a place of consolidation right now. This is just a intraday downside on this. Look, it has a room, in my opinion, just my opinion. Technically, I'm not seeing right now any upside on this in the price action. I'm just, oh wow, this candle is sleep. We'll see if this price action develops here, tries to hold support, we might see some, upside again. But full intraday bullish would be again if we get back out and above of this trend line. Otherwise, this becomes just an area to be shorted again. And watch this 200 hours moving average from the below. So that's where the possibility lies on this thing right now, that possibly Nvidia can do this. Right, and if we want to get back again to the upside, eventually it needs to consolidate somewhere here, get out of this trend line, and starts going up. So that's Nvidia, guys. All right. All right. Let me show you now where we are. AMD. I'll do another videos on this, but AMD seems it's still holding the structure, but that supply zone is not letting it go. I have been saying this for this week. I said that in my videos over the weekend that expect AMD to stay choppy this week. The supply zone will not let it go up, and the bulls will not let it go lower. So yeah, this just turned out choppy. I'll do another video. I just want to show you around a little bit. ARM. Interesting, right? Is it bearish now, junior trader? Is the structure broken? I'll talk about this as well in another video. But yeah, right now structure is not bearish though. Yes, intraday cool-offs are coming in the channel. That's what we talked about in my previous videos. That's fine. But the structure all in all is not bearish right now. Broadcom is on the other side. Yeah, this is going lower. And yeah, I think it has tapped out at all-time highs here again. And I think the way the structure is looking like this time, I think Broadcom is going to go much lower, in my opinion. I don't have a position on this. I wanted to take, I just didn't take. I don't know. Yeah, I have some other positions running. SMCI has logged in a lot of my capital. Let me show you SMCI making money, great money. So this is the move I was talking about. I even gave this move before it even happened. That's how I give all the moves, even though my channel is about just educational purposes. I only provide how to read the price action and all, but I still provide all these moves ahead of times, what I'm doing, and with my stop losses and everything. And you can see this was the thing I provided, and I have been covering about it as well. And yep, look at the move, making money in the money, right? I'll talk about it in another video as well in the price action, what I expect more out of it. But yeah, all right, let's gauge the overall breadth of the market as well. QQQ, kaboom, 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 kaboom. QQ lost that level of if bulls had to rotate it, they had to rotate it at 449. And I have said that, mentioning that if we lose 454, there's one room we can come down to this 20 days moving average. But yeah, full break of structure is below 449, and we have gotten that. So yeah, now I'm watching this 50 days moving average potentially. And or if any pivot price action starts to form, we'll talk about that then. But right now I'm not seeing any price action to the upside. So let's watch now 50 days moving average. Well, let's see what the price action does when it comes over there. But yeah, losing this level of 449 is very critical. So yeah, SPY weaker as well, and you can see today it rejected at that overhead resistance of 20 days moving average. Tried to bounce back up but couldn't, and this is also has done the break of structure at 524 already that I have been talking about. And yeah, so this bearish candle led it to turn to the distribution phase, and pretty much once we start to lose the level of 527, I've been saying that weakness is coming. Bulls, if they have to rotate, they have to rotate at 524. They couldn't rotate it and they lost it, and you can see we have been just plummeting lower. Next level I'm watching is 518, and if we lose 518, oh wow, then we have a bigger problem as well. Then you are watching this 493. All right, but level by level, but the structure right now, is already broken. But yeah, let's see 518 with 50 days moving average if bulls can do anything here. Otherwise, yeah, if we lose that, we're going much lower as well. Guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful and valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.